Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make camphor oil from home. Please, if you find this video useful and helpful, please give it a try. Also subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share it with your friends and loved ones. Subscribing is free, it will cost you nothing. Please because subscribe to my channel. Click on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you get updated whenever I upload a new video. So the first thing I did was to get my mortar and my pestle, and I placed my camphor inside of my mortar and crushed them with the pestle till it becomes a smooth and fine powder. Camphor oil can help treat acne and acne scars, eczema and psoriasis. Can also help treat toenails infections, hair growth, dandruff, head lice. Can also help treat head lice, headache, cold and flu. Can also treat muscular ache and pain, chest congestion in babies, also nervous depression. Now transfer your already crushed camphor into another bowl, and this should be about 1.5 or 2 tablespoons of camphor. So I'm gonna be combining some oils. The oils we're going to be using, I'm combining them. I'm going to be combining coconut oil, pure almond oil and olive oil, making it 150 ml. Place your pan on heat. You can also make use of pot, saucepan, but in this case I'm making use of a fried pan. Pour your oil into the pan. Make sure it's on low heat. Later pour your camphor, your blended and already crushed camphor into the pan. Fry on low heat. Use your spoon to stir and fry on low heat. Make sure it's on low heat because if it's too high, it may lose its potency. This should be for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, allow the oil cool down, then later pour into your storage container. Note taken here, camphor oil can be very harsh on the skin when applied directly or if you have a sensitive skin, so it's better when you dilute it or mix it with another oil. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. See ya.